How to become an Eatwith affiliate and start earning commissions promoting unique dining experiences online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote food and travel experiences is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Eatwith affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Eatwith is a platform where travelers can book unique dining experiences with local hosts, including home dinners, cooking classes, and food tours in many cities around the world. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Eatwith affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books a food experience through your affiliate link on Eatwith, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting food experiences and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliates.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.